So today we're gonna make sweet, sticky Chinese barbecue ribs.
And if you're new to Kind of Cooking, we do a lot of sous vide recipes and other things as well. So make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know when we have a new video.
All right, let's get started. So the base is
Chinese barbecue pork flavor.
Yeah, exactly.
But I think the main difference is that we used maltose before.
Yeah.
And this time we're gonna use honey for the sweet and sticky finish and glaze that we like.
Yeah, we're gonna go in with the honey.
Sugar, white pepper, 5 spice powder. We have some light soy, dark soy for color, some Shaoxing wine. We have some oyster sauce.
Gotta get every last drop.
And some fermented red tofu.
We started to do this because last time we got some takeout, that we just took whatever they had, and one of them was Chinese barbecue ribs. And I don't know, it's something we never really get. We rarely get it, so I wanted to do our own take on it, which will be sweeter and stickier and off the grill. So this sauce is ready. We're gonna set this aside for a minute. We got some pork spare ribs. The first thing we're gonna do is take off the skin on the back, or the membrane. And so try and get a little piece. Once you get a little piece here, okay, you got a little piece up. We're gonna take some paper towel so that we can get a grip, and we're just gonna rip that right off. There we go. And if you can't get a grip, then take a knife and try and just go under a little bit and take off the skin. Okay.
This is like the chewy stuff on the back, right?
Yeah, exactly. You don't want that. Next step is easy.
Just slather it on.
Slather a little bit on. Okay, you're not gonna use all of this because later on we're gonna need the sauce again. The sauce in the sous vide is just to give it a little bit of flavor, a little bit of goodness, and then we're gonna put it on before we put it on the grill. Then we're gonna really bake it on there. Let's just get dirty. Okay. So this is gonna go in. All right, slip that bad boy in. Okay, there we go.
It's a small rack of ribs.
Small rack of ribs.
It's like for one person.
Really? This is a one-person portion?
That's a one-person portion.
We are in quarantine. We're trying to conserve.
Okay, shut up.
So next step, just seal it up. There it is. Nicely sealed, double sealed. Don't ever forget that. We're gonna put it into the sous vide now, 165 for 4 hours.
And this texture is more of a Chinese meat texture. It will be fully cooked, but there will still be some bite to it. Not like tough, but still tender. It won't be a fall of the bone type.
No, you won't be able to just pull that out. But if you do like that, that also works. It's come out of the sous vide. We chilled it a little bit. We're gonna open this bag.
Do you keep the juices of this?
Always.
Where are you gonna put it?
So the juices, we're going to cook it off. We're just gonna boil it, and then when we serve it, we're just going to drizzle. We're gonna drizzle it on top. So we're gonna do something a little different today. We're going to cut them into individual pieces. So we're gonna just pat it dry, okay? Yeah, I think like sous vide meat sometimes has the most unappetizing looking color after coming out. Okay, let's cut that.
So we're gonna sauce them individually, so every surface of this rib will be sticky and delicious. We're gonna baste it again, so we can't use it all.
Yeah. Okay, get it all nicely sauced. We're gonna put one more layer of this, and then we're going to use honey on the rest of it so that we can get that nice sticky surface on the top as well. We're going to finish this off on the barbecue. You can also finish this off on the oven, in the smoker. We're gonna prepare one more thing before we go though. We're just going to take a small bowl of honey, and that's what we're gonna brush on later on.
What about this?
We're also gonna brush that on.
Okay.
We're gonna brush both things on.
Okay.
Okay, let's do it. These don't need really long. This is just to bake.
There's no sound, Kevin.
Oh, sorry.
I'm ready.
Go ahead, you start.
What is there to start? Just eat, right?
Yeah, let's just
Okay.
eat.
Yeah.
Oh, wait.
I've already started.
They're like meat candy.
This is the perfect texture.
That is so good. Like it's nice and sticky. Your hands are gonna get dirty. Your mouth is gonna be dirty.
Our face is gonna be dirty. It's
All the way
already
up to
dirty.
here. You can adjust the sweetness. We went pretty sweet on this one. If you don't want it so sweet, reduce the amount of honey. But the texture of this is so perfect. Like the meat is not melting in your mouth, but it has a little bite and it's very tender. It's still very juicy.
I also enjoyed the char from the barbecue.
Oh, on the barbecue, you need to be careful because there's so much sugar content in this. If you let it go and you leave it, it's going to burn. So just keep an eye on it. You can even raise it up a little bit, and in your oven, you're going to want to baste it a couple of times and also keep an eye on it. Once it starts, it's going to burn very quickly. Anything else you want to say?
Make sure to like the video.
And hit that subscribe and notification bell. See you next time.
Okay, bye. Come on, OJ.
The gloves don't fit. You must acquit. Is that the line?
I don't know.